Look at this little guy, the Scamper camper. Let's have another look at this ladder. A lot of ladders, but look at this guy, old Scamper. That's an old one. Y101. Remember that station? Whoa. Was not expecting that. Okay then. This is my, I think every RV owner's worst nightmare. Whoa. Toasty. Wow. Whoa. Jesus, not even sure if I should really be in here. Damn. Whoa. Look at that. Makes you wonder what happened. Oh, there's the fire extinguisher right there. That didn't make it. Somebody didn't really get to that in time. Obviously. Jesus Christ. Look at that. Completely dummied. Jesus, look at that. Just another fire extinguisher. Completely dead. They obviously tried. Seats are still good. God damn, look at that. Jesus. Wow. Oh my God. Unreal. Wow. Holy shit. God damn. Does that be the microwave or? Oh boy. Every RV owner's worst nightmare, but I think a lot of RVs probably meet this fate. I'm surprised there's not more RV fires, actually, to be perfectly honest. Look at this thing, man. Completely toasted. Completely toasted. I probably shouldn't even be in here. Probably all kinds of asbestos. I'm gonna get out of here. How's that? I'm gonna get out of here, seeing as that this is a 1968 or whatever. Probably gonna. Wow, look at this thing. Wow. Goddamn. Look at this thing, man. Isn't that ever cool? That would have been such a cool camper. Look at the headlights on this. Oh my God, look how cool this thing is. Look how... Damn, man. This is a one-of-a-kind vehicle, just totally ruined. GMC. I gotta look this up and see what... Look at that, the windshield just melted right out of it. That's all the windshield molding right there. Man, what a cool looking camper. Wow. That is such a shame. That would have been heartbreaking for someone. Do some research and see what kind of camper this actually was. Yeah. Wow. Any information on this? Scamper. GMC Scamper. Okay. solid. All right, guys, I did some research when I got home, and I've got a couple more pictures for you here of what this motorhome would have looked like when it was not burned. If you want a real interesting read, check out the AMF company, which manufactured this motorhome. I know it says GMC on it, and these kinds of things get really confusing once you start really digging into them. I've done a Grew Boats video and posted that on my channel, and interestingly enough, there is a slight connection between this motorhome and Grew Boats if you dig deep enough. This AMF company is just a whole can of worms to get into, and I think I'm actually going to make a little mini documentary on this AMF company. Really cool find today in the boneyard. Really happy we came across this little scamper, and by all means, if you have any information on this particular motorhome, please don't hesitate to share in the comments section. I'd love to know more about it. And of course, if you're in for an interesting read, check out the AMF Corporation on Wikipedia. A very colorful history there. So anyways, I got all kinds of stuff coming down the tube here. Stay tuned to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my content. And stick around. I got so many cool projects coming up. And if you like motorhomes and campers and music and stuff, well, this is the channel for you. So hope you all staying safe out there. And we'll see you very shortly.